Just a moment ago, I showed you how the eggs, the protein of the egg became green during the process of boiling. Now, I'll show you. This is the oven I used to boil the eggs. I boiled 3, now have 2 left. See? Okay. What's wrong? During the boiling process. Let's have a look. I will turn off the light of this room and let's have a look under the black light. Can you see? See the green things? These should be graphene dust. During the boiling process, they released it by EMF control to the oven. So after the boiling, the cover have gaps in the boiling process pushed by the steam pressure. So these are the graphene oxide dust they released when I was boiling the egg. So we can know how. See here? See here? See? The graphene oxide enters the oven through these parts of the cover when it's boiling, and they make the egg to become green. It's poison. So I really, in danger of the poisoning, because even I take, very, carefulness, during the cooking process, and can't guarantee they don't poison the food. See what's that? The poisons come through during the cooking process. Sometimes if we fry some vegetables and, potato chips or anything, we don't cover the oven. So the secret poison enters your oven, poisons the food. So I will take a sample from the oven and have a look under microscope. What are these?